What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be checking out our new dual 12-inch brushless fan setup for the Maverick R intercoolers. Essentially what we're doing is drawing 4,900 plus CFM of air, which is drastically more than the factory one, through the intercooler to help reduce your intake air temps. This is the factory setup. They use about a 10-inch fan. This is regular brush style motor. It's a decent shroud. Your plugs are over here, nothing too crazy. And this, beside it, is the RPM setup. You can kind of see the comparison here. Sitting on this, again, is the RPM setup. Just directly drops right on there. We include all the hardware you need. These are already all pre-wired, just right here in the factory location. We even got a factory harness isolator in place so you can plug your factory stuff in that quick, that easy. Simply take your old one down and you put this one up. Factory fans, 10 inches. RPM fans, 12 inches. Factory fans are brushed. These are brushless, high CFM, high speed fans. We just got this car back from Baja. We were there for testing for about 7 days, and we did about 1,550 miles all the way down the Baja Peninsula. These were put through the test, the ultimate test of Baja, and they performed great. Intake air temps, we did 111 across the lake beds. I mean, our intake air temps were they just always stayed cold. Like, no matter what we did, we just kept feeding the car more heat, just beating on it. We always just buried the intake air temps into the floor. I mean, they did it awesome. So the harder you press the Maverick R, the more they'll activate these fans. Essentially, these each run on their own relay. So at times you may run one fan, both fans will kick on. You may never even hear these fans running because a lot of stock cars, these don't turn on until you're under boost. But you get a tune, they can fix that, turn them on quicker, run them longer. I run them both at the same time. Great things. But at the end of the day, these draw way more air across your intercooler. We have a completely sealed up unit, so we're only pulling air through the intercooler, no leaks, no weird wonky stuff like K&M kind of has on their factory stuff. We've been putting brushless fans on the BRP platform for quite some time, so we really have these dialed in and figured out. Performance guys, this is where it's at. Racing guys, this is where it's at. If you're in the desert a lot, dunes a lot, this is going to help drastically. What you'll see in these tunes is as intake air temps increase, they'll start pulling timing out as a safety threshold on your tune. So these running cooler, it's going to help your high performance cars a ton. So pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com.